Jean. Hello, my name is Shara Makia. I'm your student nurse for today. Can I get your name and your date of birth?
John Doe, December 30.
Okay, great. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a walker. So I'm going to need you to stand up for me. You can put your hands on the rails and use it to support your weight. Okay, which one is your weak leg?
The left side.
Your left side. Okay. It seems that the walker is already adjusted to your height. So each leg has adjustments, and when you adjust, it should be about your wrist level and 15 to 30 degrees on your elbows. When we're walking, we're gonna push the walker first, and then with your weak left side, you can step up, followed by your strong leg. Strong leg, weak leg, and strong leg.
Hi, Ms. Shira. I'm going to be your student nurse today. My name is Zoe. Can you please state your name and your date of birth?
Shiro Marquette, October 14, 2004.
Okay. So I'm going to teach you how to use a walker. So which one is your weak side?
My right side.
Okay. So for navigating the walker, you have the 4 legs here. Each leg has this adjustment, and you can adjust with your height. But when you're adjusting, it has to be aligned with your wrist. And also like 15 to 30 degree with your elbow. So
Okay.
when you're walking, you have to push your walker first, and then use your weak side to step up, and then follow it with your strong side. And just go down and repeat. Okay, so when you're about to sit down, you're gonna turn around and you're gonna do the same thing. Your weak side and then your strong side. You also pivoting the walker. And then when you feel the chair behind you, if you go sit down, you're also using the walker as a support.